Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told that the line determined by the points 2k and k32 pass through the origin. So, for this to be true, which of the following could be the value of k? So we basically have four situations here where we have k equal to 0, the points are 2, 0, and the 0, 32. If k is equal to 4, the points are 2, 4, and 4, 32. If the k is 8, we have 2, 8, and 8, 32. If it's 16, we have 2, 16, 16, 32. We are told that it passes through the origin, so therefore when we find the equation of the line y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept, is going to be the origin. First off, we don't even have to calculate the equation of the line for a, because we know that it goes to the point 0, 32, and therefore it cannot go through the point 0, 0, because otherwise it would fail the vertical line test. Going here, we have 2, 4, and 4, 32. So first we have to find the slope. The slope is the difference in y's, so 32 minus 4, over 4 minus 2, the difference in x. And again, just making sure you're going from one point to the other both times and not switching back and doing 2 minus 4, right? You have to go the same way both times. 32 minus 4 is 28, 4 minus 2 is 2, so your slope is going to be 14. So y equals 14x plus b. Now we plug in one of the points to solve for b. This equation is true if x is 2 and y is 4, or if x is 4 and y is 32. These numbers are going to be easier, so we're going to plug them in. So 4 for y is equal to 14 times 2 plus b. 4 is equal to 14 times 2 is 28 plus b minus 28 minus 28. We get these cancel out and we get b is equal to 4 minus 28, which is negative 24. We are looking for the origin to be the y-intercept of these lines, so negative 24 is not your answer. So we know it's not a, it's not b. Now we can try c. Your slope is going to be the change in y, 32 minus 8, over the change in x, 8 minus 2. 32 minus 8 is 24, 8 minus 2 is 6, 24 divided by 6 is 4, so your slope is going to be 4. Y equals 4x plus b, plugging in 8 for y and 2 for x. We have 8 is equal to 4 times 2 plus b. 8 is equal to 4 times 2 is 8, plus b. Subtract 8 from both sides to get b on its own. We have b is equal to 8 minus 8, which is 0. So the y-intercept is 0, 0. Therefore, it does go through the origin, and your answer is going to be C.